This year, we also have some more enticing and practice events, such as the workshop on early modern dance.
There are historical sources, dance treatises, music scores, or letters from ambassadors, etc., that give us a lot of information based on which we can reconstruct the dances that were practiced at the European courts since 15th century. How to participate in a ball, not only in the physical sense, but in the aesthetic and also the ethic sense of education.
For me, history really came to life when we did that at that specific location. It was in the main hall of the palace, which made it all the more special. Really kind of experienced what court culture was like, as if we were living in the past. So that was really amazing.